Hello, I'm Robin Tillman, and I am here with the cutest dog ever, who has been hanging out at the Mountaintop Media Studios for 2 days now. And he is too cute and too clean to be a stray. So, come here, babe. We have affectionately named him Marshmallow. Marshmallow, come here, bud. He really wants inside. Unfortunately, we don't hire fur babies, so we would love for his owners to come get him. I'm trying to interview. He's being a little difficult. Come here, baby. Can you tell us why you're here? Can you tell us, do you have owners or are you just a really clean stray? If he is your dog and you would like to come get him, we are at 1240 Radio Drive in Pikeville, or you can reach out to us on our Facebook page. We would love for this beautiful boy to find his home. For Mountaintop News, I'm Robin Tillman.